Let's take a quick look at a high-probability trade setup on Friday, June 20th, 2025. Here on the US30 1-hour time frame, we see how the market took out the liquidity resting below multiple swing lows on June 19th, whilst dropping to the price gap displayed here, signaling a potential turning point in the market, where price is then expected to gravitate towards a premium zone of the trading range. Let's now drill down to the 5-minute time frame to explore the trade opportunities. We can see multiple buy signals here on the 5-minute time frame after price rejected the confluence zone of interest, that is the green zone within the 1-hour time frame price gap displayed here, offering buy trade opportunities, with the latest buy signal triggering at 1300 hours GMT +2. Now, note how each of the 6 preceding buy signals have yielded decent gains so far, making them all winning signals. Moments later, we get 3 more buy signals with the last one triggering at 1435 GMT +2. We can now expect the London range high marked above to be taken out as price is evidently poised for an upthrust. There we go with a session liquidity run, an epic dynamite buy signal move that aligns well with the market analysis. A move worth capitalizing on, having offered a whopping 174 points so far with absolutely no drawdown whatsoever. Note, dynamite signal moves typically occur right on the heels of heavy turbulence zones, that is consolidation zones, a brief one of which can be seen here. As higher prices are still anticipated, we await the next leg of the upward move following any pullbacks to the newly created 5-minute price gap seen here. True to form, we get a further market upthrust, with the move now measuring an amazing 209 points as we speak. Moments later, you can see we get a further upward move right there, with the buy signal having offered an amazing 228 points so far. Figures now updated. All of the preceding buy signals have also gained a further 158 points, measuring from the London range high. Note that nailing these trade signals requires the application of proper risk management and managing your trades appropriately, key trading skills worth having, which goes a long way to help gain an edge in these unsparing markets. There's no better time to hone your skills than now. Carpe diem. A sneak peek at the hourly chart shows the market has more to give with the current upward momentum. We will continue to monitor and update this buy signal move accordingly. That's 264 points and counting. Beautiful. With this further upthrust, the buy signal now stands at 298 points. Awesome. We now get a pullback which is expected, considering the area in which price is currently trading. We can now observe if we get another push up towards the higher time frame key territory. If you find this video informative, please give it a like, comment, and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of future videos, as well as the free upcoming TTAC live sessions, where we will be exploring the markets collectively by employing this Tekyrithmics flagship market solution, Pathfinder 317 Explosive Scalper Indicator, a 100% non-repaint indicator that is suitable for scalping, day trading, and swing trading, and applicable to a wide variety of markets. Here we see the buy signal has offered a staggering 320-point move, now having reached a higher time frame key zone, where we can expect price to react from this significant area. We can see the area being rejected here on the hourly chart as the market approaches the proximal level of the price gap displayed above, signaling a potential market retracement before gunning for the liquidity resting above the swing highs marked in red. A real dynamite signal, a staggering 320-point move with literally zero drawdown, caught right on the heels of a heavy turbulence zone, an epic high-probability trade setup you wouldn't want to miss. Are you nimble? Can you nail this like a pro? Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a like, comment, share with others, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos and the upcoming free TTAC live sessions. See you in the next one.